G'day Dodgers, and welcome back to another instalment of 3D Ranch. Now I'm going to slide into shot here a new little print I've made, which is a piece of cable chain that I decided to print. Normally they come out in a little single link like that, and I thought I'd link them together and print them as one piece and see whether I can get them to move like that off the print. So firstly, we'll power this printer off so it's making less fan noise. And we'll give this a quick trip. Better turn it around this way so I can get a grip on the board. It's taking a little bit to get underneath it. There we go. That's all I need. So let's see if we can make it free up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's a nice piece of cable chain made. Now we need to print out some more lengths of that. We might just clip these ones in here as well to make that number up here. Now these pieces here, unfortunately one of them went dodgy on me and moved in the print, so he's a little bit, well, there's one Hmong in each family, so we'll see how that turns out. He might not tidy up. So that is the cable holders. They clip over the top like so once the cable's in place. So that looks good there, and these just need a little bit of fur cleanup. So there's only just that one dodgy one that I've got that might be a problem. So hopefully that worked, but I'm impressed with tight tolerances like that. It didn't take much to free that up, and I'm already built. I don't have to assemble chain. So the difference between that one there, you can see she's nice and tidy, and this one here, I think we might call that scrap. So that's looking good. That'll go onto the back of the printer to hold one of the cables in place, and I'll need another extension of chain about that again, just to add on, and then there's a couple of fastener clips that go in there on the end to do that. So we'll get that sorted and we'll get that mounted onto the machine, and we'll show some further details on that, and we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for dropping in, Dodgers, and we'll see you next time. Stay safe.